Hi, Tom Lydon with ETF Trends here in Hollywood, Florida at the Inside ETF conference. I'm here with Bruce Bond, CEO of Innovator ETFs. Bruce, it's been a long time. Great to see you.
Yeah, Tom, good to see you too.
So it's important that our viewers understand you have been in the ETF business for a long period of time. Kind of took some time off, spending time with the family,
right.
And now you're back.
Yeah.
So give a little of your history.
Well, May of 2003, we launched the first two power shares. Those are both based on IntelliDexes, which were intelligent indexes, where it takes us way back to when smart beta really got started back there. And from there, we launched a number of different products, power shares, the power shares QQQ, and all that stuff kind of came together. And then,
I mean, those were the early days.
Right. I mean, in those days, we were explaining what an ETF was.
An EFT.
Yeah, an EFT, right, exactly. And I was going in and saying, you know that spider and that QQQ you own?
Yeah.
That's an ETF.
Yeah.
And so, it's gone really well. And so we don't have to explain who power shares is, what an ETF is, what an IntelliDex is. We don't have to explain that anymore.
No.
We're able to just say, hey, this is what we provide.
It's like you got all these different baseball teams right now, and people are wearing hats and jackets, and so
makes my job easy.
Right, exactly. Well, you took some time off, and now you're back, and you've got some new exciting ideas in Innovator. Explain that. Like, what's Innovator all about?
Well, Innovator ETFs, I mean, what we did, we have really two-pronged approach. One, we're going to be doing some more traditional type of ETFs. Our first ones are based on Investors Business Daily research. It's been out forever, and that tons of individual investors love. But they didn't have a way to access it and really participate and didn't understand the product. So we're working with IBD to bring products out based on their research and their following and the readers of their magazine and their research.
Will they be index-based or will they be active?
Originally they were active. We've converted those to index-based primarily for the in-kind treatment to be able to better tax manage the funds. So they are index-based. And one is the 50, the other is the leaders, LDRS, and it's been widely adopted, and we've done real well over the last few months. We've gained a lot of assets, and then there's this other prong to our approach, which is defined outcome. Which is to be able to provide more definitive outcomes to people that are investing in ETFs and in the market in general, and we think could open up a whole new space for investors.
Yeah. So when you look at Investors Business Daily, I mean, a lot of us in this business grew up in it,
right? Jim O'Neill, the whole thing.
Man, and great track records.
Yeah.
And their model and the way that they would provide the strategy and the rating. Just fantastic. So being able to index that, I think there are going to be a lot of people interested, right?
Right, that's what I think. I mean, the thing about it is that the list, the 50 list, it changes every day.
Yeah.
And so for an individual to try to maintain that, now the ETF is doing weekly. We have a weekly rebalance, which is probably one of the most frequent index rebalances in the industry.
And it's still an index.
Yeah, it's still an index.
Yeah.
And to be able to do that, and the reason we have it like that is not only do you have that kind of turnover, but we're able to protect investors from a lot of that capital gain risk that they have. And the transactional costs and taxes and just the costs in general to be able to do that individually are pretty challenging. And so, I mean, we've just seen people that love IBD say, that's an easy decision for me. I can do this as part of my core, and then I can pick off pieces that I really want to overweight or I want to do on my own around that, and that's how it's been working.
Well, I'm really excited for you, and it's great to see you, and it's great to have you back in the industry again, too.
Yeah, well, thanks. It's good to be here.
Yeah, thanks, Bruce.
Yeah, thanks, Tom. Appreciate it.